Good morning, children. Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We'll be looking for a Hungarian problem, a Hungarian mathematics Olympiad problem, which is given in 2001. So, I personally found this question is very interesting, and I hope you like it. Let us go ahead and get started. In the following question, four numbers are given. So, three numbers are given: 1 by x, 1 by 4 minus y comma 1 by y plus 1 by 4 minus z 1 by z plus 1 over 4 minus x. You have to show that there is at least one that is greater than or equal to 1 now, greater than or equal to 1. So these numbers are real numbers, positive real numbers less than 4 now. So how to do this problem? So like this Olympiad logical questions will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very important now because it is a new channel. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you do this problem or not? If not, continue the video. So if any solutions, easy solutions are there, you can give the suggestions also. So I am going to start the problem. Given 1 by x plus 1 by 4 minus y comma 1 by y plus 1 by 4 minus z comma 1 by z plus 1 by 4 minus x. So these are the three numbers given. So let it be 1, let it be 2, let it be 3. So these three numbers we are going to add. Okay, x, y, z are real numbers less than 4. So assuming the condition, assuming the condition and adding, we are adding here 1 by x plus 1 by 4 minus y plus 1 by y plus 1 by 4 minus z plus 1 by z plus 1 by 4 minus x is less than 3. Okay, so let us take one number equal to a. One number, assume one number is a. So then what will happen? 1 by a plus 1 by 4 minus a greater than or equal to 1. We are having a condition of 1 by a plus 1 by 4 minus a is equal to 1. That implies 4 minus a by a, 4 minus a plus a 4 minus a plus a by a into 4 minus a greater than or equal to 1. So here a get cancelled. 4 is greater than or equal to a into 4 minus a. So 4 is greater than or equal to 4a minus a square. Now here you will get a quadratic. A square minus 4a plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. That is nothing but a minus 2 whole square is greater than or equal to 0. So for all positive real numbers, a less than 4. Since this is equivalent to a less than 4, since this is equivalent to a minus 2 whole square greater than or equal to 0. Hence, the condition satisfies. Hence, the condition. What is the condition here? Greater than or equal to 1. Satisfy here. So, this is the conclusion. So, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. I hope you understood the problem. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.